Hi, and welcome back to another week of dinners. Today is Friday and we are having chicken tacos in the crock pot. So I have 5 chicken breasts in the crock pot. I thought I had 4, but there's an extra one in my package. So we got 5, so that will make leftovers. So I'm just going to add in 1 ranch packet. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. I have 1 can of chicken broth. Okay, so we are going to cook it on high for 6 hours. Okay, my chicken is done cooking in the crock pot, so I am just going to shred it up. And now for our toppings. A little bit of cheese. And shredded lettuce. Tomatoes. Olives. And of course our sour cream. Okay, and there are our chicken tacos. It is Monday night, and for dinner tonight we are having baked ziti. Now, Saturday night we just had leftover chicken tacos, and last night, Sunday night, my husband barbecued some ribs, but I didn't get a video of that, so let's do our baked ziti. I have my ground turkey meat already browned up. I have my water for my noodles boiling. Okay, so my water is boiling, so I'm just going to add my ziti noodles to the boiling water. I'm going to add 1½ teaspoons of Italian seasoning to my turkey meat. Some garlic powder. Okay, so you need 15 ounces of tomato sauce, but this week my store only had small ones, so I have 2 8 ounces. A 128-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. Give it a stir. I'm going to let our meat and sauce cook for about 25 minutes. I'm going to add in 4 ounces of cream cheese into my sauce. We're going to let that melt and get creamy. Okay, we'll give it about 5 minutes and then we will stir it up again. First we are going to put our noodles in a 9x13 baking dish. Get it? So now we are going to pour our sauce over our noodles. And mix it up. So that all the noodles are coated. Now we're going to sprinkle on some cheese. The recipe calls for mozzarella, but all I have is Monterey Jack, so that's what we're using.
Oh, come on.
And we're also going to add on some Parmesan. This is going to go in a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Here is our baked ziti. All the cheese is melted, and now we are going to plate it up. Okay, here is our dinner. We just have some salad on the side with croutons and little mandarin oranges. Everybody's plates. And there's Owen's. He's got croutons and carrot chips. Oranges on the side because he doesn't like salad. Got you! Got you! And that is our dinner for tonight. It is Tuesday night, and for dinner tonight we are just having our leftover baked ziti and pretty much the same thing as last night. Salad with little mandarin oranges. I like to put those on our salad. And then I just added breadsticks for tonight. It is Wednesday night, and for dinner tonight we are having chicken and dumplings. And my husband put in some under cabinet lighting for me, so it makes my videos much brighter. So I have my 2 chicken breasts in my crock pot already. I'm going to add in 1 can of cream of chicken. This is a big can. It's a 22.6 ounce can. I'm going to add 1 can of peas, and they are drained. I have 2 cans of chicken broth. Now I'm going to cook this on high for 6 hours. Okay, my chicken is done cooking. I just shredded it up. All shredded. Now instead of making dumplings, I just made some croissants in the oven. So I just spooned the chicken over our croissants.